Nobody gives a shit about your problems. Get over it. Fucking deal with it. Move on, get up, and solve them. In all honesty. What's up, guys? Day 36. My dad stopped by. We just ended up going for a little bit of a drive, hanging out. I'm gonna hop in the cold shower real quick, and then I have an appointment at in 1 hour. So I'm gonna go to that, get some stuff done. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit. Cold shower, 36 done. 36 days in a row. I'm gonna just follow it up with some cold shower thoughts. Basically, gonna keep this short because I got shit to do. Nobody gives a shit about your problems. Get over it. Fucking deal with it. Move on, get up, and solve them. In all honesty. People would gladly, I know there are some people in life that would gladly trade their problems for your problems. So suck it up. Get up, and go and solve them. God is with you. You have the strength to do this. He will give you strength. You can do this. Stop sulking. Get it done. All right, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'm gonna head to an appointment. Got a couple things to do. So, see you guys later. What's up, everybody? It's been a productive and chaotic day. I feel like we're getting back in the zone. I ended up selling my car, got the price I wanted, finished that out. That's pretty awesome. I'm gonna have car loan gone, insurance gone. I just did my laundry, filled gas, folded my clothes, getting everything cleaned up for the work week, getting set up. Get back in the zone. Tomorrow we're gonna go to kickboxing early morning, wake up, go to training, and start the week off strong. Feeling a lot better. I'm happy I got that, the car sold. I have other things like still finalizing documents for my marriage upcoming in February. Super excited to get finally. Fiance and I have been engaged for a little over a year, and we've just been trying to figure out the paperwork, get the marriage done, and find a time and get the families together. It's been so hectic, but finally getting it done. So happy. It's gonna be an awesome time in my life, awesome period, awesome transition. So I'm gonna talk to you guys tomorrow. Just gonna finish up these things, and we're really gonna make it a mission to make these videos more engaging and more variable content. I mean, I've just been filming just to film, just to keep the consistency, to really show the authenticity of being an entrepreneur with all the personal shit you got to deal with along with the business. Nobody really shows you. But now we're getting back in, locked in, ready to go, ready for the week. Thanks for tuning in, guys. For the few viewers that may be still watching, I will talk to you tomorrow.